GenAI, Gemini, ChatGPT, and LLMs. These are the most trendy technological terms, right? We have been hearing a lot in every technology discussion, interview, events, etc. And if you see the improvements in this area from past few years, it's totally game changing. We have seen a Will Smith video of eating spaghetti few months back, and comparing to today's video of 2024, it is almost natural right now and surreal also we can say. And similarly, there were a lot of advancements done in popular LLMs like Gemini and ChatGPT. And one of the advancement which attracted me a lot is this long context window with multimodal prompting powered by Gemini. So to know more about long context window, check out this Gemini documentation. In simple terms, as the name tells, right, long context. So we give a very large knowledge as a context to LLM, and it gives an accurate responses with respect to that knowledge whatever we have given, like a specialized doctor than a general physician. As of now, it is free for everyone. You can also log into Gemini AI Studio and play with it. It will be something like this: say hi, hello, or else a regular conversation, whatever you make with ChatGPT and Gemini, etc. But at the same time, we can also use the API key of this Gemini in our code bases. These LLMs are very powerful, and most of the people say it's the future. So, if it is the future, are we making a right step towards it? I feel not, because most of the use cases revolve around content creation, image generations, or video generations for social media, or else some entertainment purpose. But I feel we need to use them in more powerful and useful areas. One of them is like today's idea of how we have used Gemini for CCTV surveillance, or like an advanced alert system where we can tell it like security area. So let's see this CCTV video where we can observe that a red shirt boy along with two ladies comes into the picture, and let's note the timestamp there and give it as a context to the Gemini AI in Google AI Studio, and let's ask the timestamp at which this incident happened. Initially, it gave the video timestamp, like we multiplied the video by 12 times, na? So it is giving that timestamp. Again, I'm asking, give me the right side top view camera timestamp. Then we can see it is giving the exact timestamp when it happened. So I replicated the same thing again in Kaggle notebook, but this time I used the Gemini API. So that I'm sharing the link here. Whoever working with Gemini API, it might be a useful resource to you to how to work with multimodal prompting, or else if they were using long context windows, how to handle them in an efficient way like that. Because while working this project, we faced few challenges. The first one is like how to handle a very large memory size video, because it might be 20 to 30 GB, right? But luckily, Gemini accepts the token size with respect to the length of the video rather than the size of the video. 1 second of video costs you 263 tokens. So what we did is we multiplied the speed of video by 12 times to match the 2 hours context size constraint. And the second challenge we have faced is what if we need to give multiple days videos, because each and every time you do a prompt, or else you do a conversation with LLM, it will consume a lot of power. And if you want to give this much amount of tokens every time, it will be very burden for us, and it is also not good for environment. So what we did is we can make a collage of this video and we'll try it in a single shot. We can I'm going through this code. You can also go to this notebook and please check out how I did this project. And also please, if you have any idea, enhance this code and make it more efficient. And also if you have any more ideas of where are the areas we can use these LLMs in more efficient way rather than these entertainment areas, please mention them in comments. And also in coming days, we are likely to share another idea where we can use these LLMs in an efficient way for screening the candidates in interviews. And we will try to share it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.